Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here. How are you? Coming from Chicago, my second video of the new year, and yeah, it's the 8th. Yeah, what can I tell you? Today's video is really about not a rant, but it's about mindset and get off the fence. Get off the fence, make a decision, yes, no, move on down the road. Okay? So before I get into that, let me get the particulars out of the way. Subscribe button right below. If you like our video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to get notifications and updates and stuff like that. Greatly appreciate it. Any feedback, please send me a comment, send me a message, like it. You can follow me on Facebook at Jeff Casmer. In fact, I encourage you to send me a friend request. If you send me a friend request and I accept it, I can actually add you into our team group. I am a forex trader and a network marketer. And I will show you really quickly my business page, and very easy to remember, Trade Forex with Jeff. Very simple, a lot of good stuff in here. In fact, some of it we might actually go over in this particular video. So here's what my issue is today. And this happens all the time once we get to this time here, okay? So just for the record, IMmastery has a promotion. And they had a promotion up until December 31st, where you can join our company and you didn't have to pay a setup fee, and there's a package, there's a special on one of our packages that will get you started learning to trade Forex with no experience. Our team is the #1 team in the company. We're the #1 recruiter in the company. The #1 reason we have the #1 recruiter in the company is because people stay and make money, okay? So what happens is that people, like, when they get close to Christmas, oh, I gotta wait, I gotta buy 15 presents for my kid instead of 10. Okay, and then they don't do what it takes to change their life. Okay, so then January comes. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I can't start because I've got the holiday bills and now I'm kind of broke because of I had to buy 17 presents for each of my family members instead of 9. Okay? You have to change that mindset. First of all, the holiday time is all about family. And I have 3 kids, and it's all about giving. You spend your life giving to them, okay? However, you can end up long-term, if you have a long-term vision of giving them more, by if you see an opportunity that you know can change your life, right? Scam-free, not asking you to send money to, Libya, all kinds of things. We're a company that's been around this is our 8th year. Pardon my voice. This is our 8th year being in business, okay? And our specific team is changing lives every single day. We are crushing it every single day with our team members, okay? But there's so many people that I come across, and I've been in network marketing, affiliate marketing for over 20 years, okay? So I've seen every story, every excuse, okay? And some of it's like where you send somebody reaches out to you, hey, I want to join your company, blah, blah, blah. Let me ask you this question. 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 And pretty soon down the road, you're 6 months in, they haven't signed up, which is fine. We get that all the time, okay? All the time. Because people don't want to change that view, like, I'm going to take a step forward in my life, okay, and make a change. We have a 7-day money-back guarantee. There's no excuse, okay? You can't give me a good enough excuse. If we were a scam, yes. If nobody made any money, yes, okay? If the price was $5,000, yes, okay? We give you a software that's worth $5,000 on its own if it's sold elsewhere at Forex trading events. Yeah, we give it to you in one of our packages. Our highest package is like $300, okay? You have to change your mindset, okay? And I know that's a challenge. I know it's difficult. At some point, you have to reach the point that I am going to make this move. I'm going to make this change. I'm going to step forward, and I'm going to hit the purchase button, and I'm going to believe in me or anybody on my team or anybody else in the company that's introduced me to this product. 7-day money-back guarantee. Walk in 10 minutes later, you see it. Oh, stinks. Get your money back. Just get your money back. but you get so bottled down by not taking action, by trying to think yourself out of it. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because you don't believe in yourself. It's a fact. You don't believe in yourself. Okay? So it manifests itself in not enough money. Oh, I can't do it. Not enough time. Got a full-time job. Got 3 kids. Kid's birthday. Car repair. Stop. Stop. Okay? I had a full-time job with 3 kids, and I worked Domino's 10 years as a second part-time job so I could start my home business. Okay? You can Uber Eats. You can pizza deliver. There's all kinds of ways. So money isn't the issue. It's not. It's not a good enough excuse. And I get it from people all the time. Oh, I have to quit this month because it's Christmas. Then I'm going to rejoin in January. And then they're just slow to rejoin. Even though they know it's a great company and they know it's going to change their life. Okay? But they find ways to throw up a roadblock. Okay? You have to get past that. You have to take that sledgehammer, break the wall down, step forward. I'm going to change my life. I am going to get into this company. I am going to learn. Nothing's going to stop me. We have tremendous leaders in our company. Wait till I show you these testimonials, and I am going to absolutely crush it and change 2020 for me and my family. But you have to get past that roadblock. Oh, I spent too much at Christmas. Oh, I got too many bills now. My job. I have no job. Okay? When I started my business 20 years ago, full-time job, part-time job, 3 kids, 2 of them playing high-level travel sports, running every day. And I started slowly building my business. I've been with I Am Mastery over 2.5 years now. One of the best company I've ever found. And I've been involved in every single company you can come up with in 20 years. Put a comment down, I can tell you I've probably been in the company. Okay? And yes, myself came up with the excuses. I can't do it. I can't. Payday. I gotta wait till payday. I can't do it. I gotta buy this for. I gotta buy a new glove. Find a way. Stop with the excuses. Okay? Stop. Okay? And as a network marketer, I am sure that if you're a network marketer, you're seeing this video, and you market through Facebook, you get these messages, ask questions, okay? And then you follow up, no response, follow up, no response, follow up, no response, okay? We've all been there, okay? Because you don't answer. Because you know why you're not answering back? Because you're trying to build that wall back up again after it's being torn down, after I'm telling you, it's a 7-day money-back guarantee. It can change your life. Here are the testimonials. Look at the testimonials. Look at the company. It's a skill you can learn. It's a skill you can learn. Okay? A skill you can learn. The beauty of our company is you will earn while you learn. It's not like every other company where you have to read this, you got to read this PDF, you got to buy a domain, you got to set up a Facebook page, blah, 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 blah. We don't ask you to recruit anybody. Nobody. I do it because I really enjoy helping people. And as one of the administrators of our team, we're changing lives every day. And let me show you. Let me show you. That's what I'm going to do. Okay? So this is one of our pages. Okay? This is one of the things that we do to help people is we do live trading. Okay? And so these are some of the results that we're having. Pips basically means cash. Pips means money. Okay? Now we don't win every single trade. No trader in the world wins. And this has to be actually updated. Okay? So we've got more trades, more wins, a couple small losses there. But anyway, this is what we try to send to potential prospects to show you the trades that we win. Of course, we don't win every trade. Okay? But we teach strategies through our company, okay, of how to make money, how to make pips, okay? And this is what we do, okay? So I just wanted to quickly show you that. Now I want to go show you some of what our aha moments. Right here. Brother, have you been involved in any gold trades through the night? I've had my aha moment big time, the education, the academy, provides is absolute class. The whole team and setup is next level material. I'll never stop thanking you, by the way. You'll probably get sick of it at some point. That's just one testimonial. That's okay. I got more, brother. Okay? Let me go through some more, especially with Facebook a little slow. Just want to let you know that in one trade, I've almost paid for my subscription. Can't thank you enough for the opportunity. Right there. Okay? That's a new person who took one trade and paid the monthly subscription. Okay? Because that's another thing that stops people. And by the way, I'm saying this about any company. Any company that has a monthly subscription is, oh, how am I going to, I got to make enough money for the next payment. Wrong. This is an educational resource. We give you trades. We got multiple avenues of how we give you trades. Okay? And I'm going to go into all the products at some point, not in this video. Change the mindset. Change the mindset. We even have a promotion that if you recruit 2 members and they become current, your membership's free. But I don't want you to focus on that because not everybody can do that in the first 30 or 60 days because they're learning to trade. And they're making money while they learn to trade because us experts give you trades. So you can make money while you're learning. Don't worry about all that gobbledygook that you see on a chart, on a forex chart. Oh my God. I knew nothing about forex trading. Zero. Okay? Nothing. I knew nothing. Okay? And it's just like going to college. There's a price for your education. Okay? So when you go to the link to join, and it'll be in below, okay? Multitude of packages. Our teams is specifically asking you to choose the cheaper package, right? Because we want you to focus in on 1 or 2 strategies, laser focus, make money, and then you can delve out into other avenues, right? I mean, this person, 1 trade, and he's paid for a subscription, okay? Gotta learn, okay? What's up, guys? Quick update. Put a pending trade on gold after doing some analysis on the chart. Far out. 140 pips. Translates for me being 2 weeks pay. 2 weeks pay. Okay? 1 trade, 2 weeks pay. Now, what's your excuse? What's the purpose of delaying? Okay? We're into January 2020. We're already 8 days in. Are you going to change your life in 2020? It's time to take action. Okay? Get on board our team. You want more time? You want more testimonials? You want to see more action? Perfect. It's great. I want to help you. Okay? There's a link below. Okay? Get on my newsletter if you need more information. More importantly, more directly, Facebook. Send me a Facebook request. Jeff Kasmer. I will add you to our group. You can see for yourself. Okay? We are changing lives every single day. And yeah, I'm fired up today because it's a new year and we're helping a ton of people. And there's so many people out there that are like, I can't take the step forward. I can't take the step forward. Break through. Break through, people. We're changing lives every single day. Any questions, please? Like it, love it. Hey, thought I was too hard. Hey, give me a thumbs down. It's fine. Okay? I'm hoping to change 1 life today. Is it you? Is it you? 1. Let me help you. Take care, everybody.